Have you ever wondered what makes a pufferfish so unique? Beyond their adorable, often grumpy faces, these fascinating creatures possess an incredible defense mechanism that sets them apart in the marine world. Today, we're diving deep to explore exactly what's inside a pufferfish and how they manage their astonishing transformations. At first glance, a pufferfish might seem like any other fish, but their internal anatomy is specially adapted for their famous puffing ability. When threatened, a pufferfish rapidly inflates its body, transforming from a sleek swimmer into a spiky, unappetizing ball. But how do they do it? The secret lies in a highly elastic stomach, often referred to as a ventral diverticulum. Unlike most fish, pufferfish don't have ribs, which allows their skin and stomach to expand dramatically. They rapidly gulp down water, or sometimes air if they're pulled out of the water, filling this specialized stomach. This influx of water or air stretches their body, making them appear much larger and more intimidating to predators. Their spines, which are usually flattened against their skin, stand erect when inflated, adding another layer of defense. But the pufferfish's defenses don't stop there. Many species carry a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, or TTX. This isn't something they produce themselves. Instead, it's accumulated through their diet, often from bacteria or other organisms they consume. TTX is one of the most powerful non-protein toxins known, hundreds of times more lethal than cyanide. It primarily affects the nervous system, blocking sodium channels and leading to paralysis, and, in severe cases, death. This toxin is concentrated in various organs, including the liver, ovaries, and skin, making pufferfish a dangerous meal for most predators and even for humans if not prepared correctly by highly trained chefs. Inside, beyond the specialized stomach, a pufferfish has a typical fish circulatory system, gills for respiration, and a brain. Their digestive system is adapted to their diet, which often includes hard-shelled invertebrates like crabs and mollusks, thanks to their strong, beak-like teeth. Their eyes are typically large, providing good vision for spotting both prey and predators. The reproductive organs, like the ovaries, are also where significant amounts of tetrodotoxin can be found, especially during spawning season. So, the next time you see a pufferfish, remember, there's more than meets the eye. From their expandable stomach and spiky exterior to their potent internal toxins, these creatures are a marvel of natural engineering, perfectly equipped to survive in their underwater world. They truly are one of nature's most incredible and dangerous wonders.